Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the Lotte City Hotel Kinshicho in Tokyo, Japan. And as usual, we'll go through all the different features of the room. I've stayed at this property before and had a different room style, so I'm glad to have this room style to show you today. Let's start off right at the entrance. As you enter the room, you're greeted by the toilet area. The toilet has a very fancy toilet seat with many different features, as you can see right here. And also, it does not come with a tub, but it does come with a shower booth. The shower booth has the dispensers for your body soap, hair conditioner, and hair shampoo. There is a rain shower head as well as a wand there. You do get a small seat which you can use, as well as a grab handle for safety. Coming over to the sink, you have your mirror, cup, your facial and hand soap dispenser in the sink itself. The toilet paper dispenser is right in front of you there. Below the sink, more toilet paper, laundry bag, the hair dryer, and towels are in a little basket there next to your in-room slippers. To the left of the entrance is the full-length mirror. You can actually close off the bedroom area from the bathroom area if you would like. Just two shoe accessories, a shoehorn and brush. They only give you two hangers, which is kind of disappointing. I'd like to see more hangers. Your mini fridge is right here, and in the Lotte City they do give you a little chocolate. They used to replenish those, but I don't think they do that anymore, so you only get one for your stay. I'll update you in the description if they do replenish those. Room information is located on the desk, and then you have a phone and a capsule coffee maker, electric kettle. You do get water every day, and then your coffee cup, spoon, tissues, and this is a vanity mirror that opens up like so. Below, you get some drawers with the in-room safe down here, and just some more room information there. In the drawer here, this is nice that you get some office accessories if you're a business traveler. So you can see those there. And then coming over to the bedroom area, clothes press on the wall. I believe this is a 43-inch TV. The rooms are non-smoking. You get your clothes deodorizer spray there. A humidifier, which is nice to have because it's winter right now, and it also can clean the air for you. A luggage rack, which I'm not sure where I would actually use this because the room isn't that big, but maybe you could put it right in the entrance area. On the bed is a robe and pajamas, and then above the bed you can see you have a clock here that also shows the date and day. You can set an alarm if you want. And of course your light controls with some outlets. This light articulates so you can aim it over you for a reading light. And then these switches control the different room lights, the main room light, headboard, the entrance light, and the bed light. Outside is the train station, and there's a bunch of different shopping malls and things like that in this area. It's very convenient to also get to the airport. There's a direct train from the JR Kinshicho station. There's also subway access through the subway station that is for Kinshicho. The air conditioner, same as the other room I had. You can set it to whatever temperature you want in Celsius or Fahrenheit, and then you can do high, low, auto, or off. Even though this is winter now, I do have it set to 22 degrees, and it actually has cooled the room because it was quite warm when I got in here. I think it was set to like 26 or something like that. And this is room 1213 on the 12th floor. You can see the diagram right there. And this is a magnet you can take off the door and put on the other side of the door if you'd like to not be disturbed. I'll just cover the peephole for privacy there. And as in most rooms, you have to use the key to turn on the room power. If there's no key or card in here, then the room does not get power. So thank you for joining me, and we will see you at the next hotel. Bye-bye.